5 must-have services to look for in an internet marketing and web company. These days, a robust online presence is your business's lifeline. Selecting the right internet marketing and web company can be daunting, but Mako Enterprises is here to guide you through the 5 essential services that will elevate your brand to new heights. First, search engine optimization, or SEO, is non-negotiable. A company worth its salt will offer extensive SEO services, ensuring your website climbs the search engine ranks and attracts organic traffic through meticulous keyword research and content creation. Next, social media management is critical. Your chosen firm should navigate the social landscape with ease, crafting engaging content and fostering community interactions across platforms like Facebook and Instagram to solidify your brand's digital footprint. Thirdly, pay-per-click or PPC advertising is a game changer. Expertise in platforms like Google Ads can turn your advertising spend into a lead-generating engine, driving targeted traffic straight to your digital doorstep. Fourth, a stellar web design and development service is also crucial. Your website is your online ambassador. It should be visually stunning, intuitive, and conversion optimized to represent your brand effectively. Finally, don't forget analytics and reporting. Insightful data tracking and regular reports on key performance metrics will empower you to make strategic decisions that refine your marketing efforts and enhance your return on investment. In conclusion, these 5 services are the pillars of a successful partnership with an internet marketing and web company. They're not just services, but your ticket to a thriving online presence. So do your homework, demand excellence, and watch your business soar in the digital domain. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Let's learn, grow, and succeed together.